Hey guys, it's Maymay, and today I thought I would show you my 5 favorite features on Cricut Design Space homepage. It's not even getting into Design Space yet. I just want to show you some of the really cool features right here on the homepage. So if you're not familiar with the homepage, this is it. Now this is it on your computer. It's not from the app. This is on my computer, and this is basically a dashboard for everything Design Space. It's basically the spot you go to get started. So there's lots of things to look at, but I'm just going to pick out 5 today to point out that I really, really love. So the first thing that I really love is in the top left corner, there's these 3 little lines here. That's called the hamburger menu. We're going to click on that. And when you do, you'll see that this section pops up. See my face there, my name, and it says View Profile. This is my #1 favorite thing. I'm going to click on that. The cool thing that Cricut is doing now, they started this a little while ago, is letting us have a profile. So now you can come in and you can set up your picture, your name, you can do an about you. I even have that listed here for me. And all the projects that I am currently sharing on Design Space publicly for everyone to get to is right here. The cool thing is we can now follow each other. Do you see here where I have 82 followers and I'm following 3? I love this because I can see that right here at the drop of a hat. These 3 little buttons give me the option to click and do share. So if I want to share my profile, I can do that as well. Isn't that cool? Let me show you this. If you click on 3, you see I clicked on that number 3, you can see the 3 people I follow here. So Lori, Melody, and Christine are people that I follow. And I can even click here and see who follows me. Isn't that cool? And I can give them a follow back. So why would I want to follow people? Well, that's feature number 2 that I love. Let's go back. So here we are back to the dashboard, the home page, and I want to show you another feature. Feature number 2 I love. If you scroll down just a little bit here, you will see a section called From the Community. Do you see this title here that says From the Community recently added? What is so cool about this is the community is us. It's the makers out there that are making things that we are willing to share with everybody. I'm going to click right here to the right that says View All, and look what happens. You will see all of these projects that have been made and shared by people just like me and you. And what's so cool about this is it's a lot of time things we're looking for. You know, it's the kind of stuff we're really making in everyday life, right? Check this out. Do you see this Valentine's Day explosion box? Let's click it. So if you click on this, it's going to show you the project here in the top here. If there's any additional pictures, you can scroll through. Look how cute this is. This is adorable. And let's say that I really love this project and want to make it. I can just click right down here and make it. But more than that, let's say I really love Louise's work, right? I just found her project and I really like what she did. I can click on her name or her picture if it's there, and I can then follow her, and she becomes one of the people that I'm following in my group. So now, do you see these cool products she has that she shares, or projects rather? If I want to make any of these and she has shared them, I can get to them. Isn't that amazing? You're going to find people throughout Design Space that make really cool stuff, and you're going to want, to make stuff like them, and this is a cool option for us. Louise, by the way, great projects. I don't know you, but great projects. Okay, so I'm going to X out of that. So that is number 2 feature that I love, the community. Let's go back home. Okay, feature number 3 that I really love, from the home page, I'm going to scroll again and look. Top video playlist. If you're looking for videos to help you with your Cricut, you don't know where to find them, look at this section. This section is actually videos from Cricut's YouTube channel. Yep, Cricut has a YouTube channel. Let me show you. If you come up here to the right and you click View All on YouTube, check this out. So look at this. This is Cricut's official YouTube channel, and look at all the goodies they have. So these are playlists of items, and if you're a beginner, look at all these videos you can watch. There are tons of educational tools for you here, absolutely free. Isn't that amazing? You might not have known they were there, but anytime I teach a class, I like to point this out because I think this is huge. Let me show you this as well. If you come down to the very bottom of their YouTube homepage, look, they don't have just one YouTube channel. They have it for Spanish. They have, I'm not sure, is this New Zealand? I think this is New Zealand. They have the UK. They have for France. So no matter what you're looking for, you can find all kinds of classes here to fit your need, including projects, how to make vinyl stickers. You guys always ask me those questions. How to make labels, how to make t-shirts. So many things for you to see here. You can look at just all their videos, just like any other YouTube channel. You can look at all their videos. You can look at their playlist. Isn't that amazing? I love it. I know. So that's feature number 3 from the homepage. Feature number 4 that I love on the home space is this. If you scroll just a little bit and you start to see all of these images, what Cricut has done is basically made playlists for you or file folders for you where, let's say you just got a new Cricut mug press and you wanted to do some projects with it, you can go right here to the top right and click View All, and look what happens. All of these Cricut mug press projects come up, and what's so cool about them is they're already designed for you. Let me show you what that means. Let's say we want to make these bistro monogram stackable cups or mugs. You'll click on that, and when you get here, here's what's so cool. You can scroll through, and I call this the recipe page. Here it tells you this is an easy project. It takes less than 30 minutes. Now I'm going to tell you something. I've never made one of these projects in the amount of time they tell us. So I would say allot yourself more time than that, but it is an easy project, right? If you look down here, it tells you the finished size, what mug you're going to use. And even here, it tells you what materials you're going to need to cut and everything else you're going to need. Isn't that cool? Down here, it tells you what to cut, how to assemble. And if you need more help, check this out. They even give you other places like videos that you can click. Like this is a video, making a mug with transfer sheets, that you can watch. This is a page that teach like a blog post. This is an article. You can click on those and learn even more. Then what I love is this. Let's say you really love the monogram on here, but you want to use it for something else. Look, it shows you what image that is. So if you want to use it on a different project, you can use it straight from here just by clicking and go into it. And at the bottom of the page, you'll see 2 buttons, Customize and Make It. If I don't need to change anything about this, if I want to do 3 mugs that have M, E, and B on them, if I click Make It, it will take me directly to the project, ready, set, and go. I don't have to do anything but follow the instructions for loading my materials onto my Cricut. So check it out. These are the pieces that I would be cutting with my machine. But let me show you this. I'm going to cancel this, and I'm going to go back, and instead of choosing Make It, I'm going to choose Customize. Now let's say that I need to change those monograms to fit what I'm doing for my home. I can do that here. You just want to start by clicking, and when you click, what you want to do is look at your layers panel, and what you'll see is that all of these images are attached together. In order for me to get to that E and change it, I'll have to detach it, so I would do that, and now I could get to that E and change it. And remember how I showed you where you could find out what image that is? You can even find out what cartridge it's on from the same place. So what I would do is I would go back to that recipe page. I would find what cartridge it's on by clicking on the little button or clicking on the link, and then I could see where to get the other letters I needed. But look here, I can delete these E's, go in and get the letters I needed and change them right here, and then make it myself. So easy peasy to customize. Let's go back home. Now, favorite feature number 5 on the home page of Design Space, check this out, My Projects. Do you see this area right here? So this is all the projects that I have created, and now what I love about this that we didn't have a long time ago, it's been a while, but we have these little thumbnail images of our own projects. Aren't these great? So check this out. I can now go to the top right over here on the corner and click View All and see all of my projects. I don't have to search for them anywhere. I don't have to kind of dig into the project. They're just right here on the home page. So if there's something I make all the time, like if you're a person that sells and makes stuff using your Cricut, you can get right to it. Like I need my logo all the time. I need my store hours constantly because I feel like they're always changing. So anything I've saved in here, I can get to super easy just by going to My Projects. Isn't that amazing? I love that. Let's go back home. So that's 5 of my favorite features on the Cricut homepage. If you enjoy this 5 features video, let me know and I'll do more of my 5 favorite features all throughout Design Space, and we'll make this kind of a series. I just thought I wanted to show you. There's still more on this homepage I would love to show you that's not even, we haven't even started, so we can do that next. So let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and also in the comments below, tell me what features you would like me to look at. Maybe you have 5 favorite features. Tell me what they are, and I'll look at those as well. Thanks so much for being here today. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye now.